Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I got my Boxycharm, and there's like the sticker for it so you can't even see the logo, but I get my Boxycharm just now, just slid it open, so I don't even know what version I've got. I don't know if this tells me how much it weighs. 2.67 ounces, I guess, maybe. Quick, I think I first got the notification yesterday that it had shipped, so yeah. If my eye makeup looks a little wonky, this I decided to get something in it and just attack me. You ever have that really, really painful, sharp stabbing thing because something got in your eye? And so like I rubbed all the makeup off that eye and I just quickly reapplied it at work because I wasn't going to finish the day with just one eye done, and tapped up that one too because it made that eye water just a little bit, so I'd probably add no more concealer, I doubt. Anyway, using the strawberry glaze palette. They're such good little palettes. Oh my gosh, the little donuts from My Heart Revolution, totally off topic, but whatever. Here's what it looks like, and it says peace, love, and Boxy and cactus tie. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is from April Cosmetics. I noticed this brand first showed up I think last month with like some people who did not get the luxe got it in an eye, like a metallic eye thing. This is April Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, and deliver intense holographic shine to your lips with this April Cosmetics exclusive launch. The holographic lip gloss works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy. Give it a multidimensional argan oil infused shine. Hashtag April vibe. So this is $21. That is really pretty. I like glitter lip glosses too, like whenever I'm just in the mood. Oh, that's like purple pink glitter. Yes. Like a grown-up version of what we all used to slap on our lips as kids. And it smells like vanilla, I think. Okay, so I'm cool with that. That's actually good. Next thing I got is an eyeliner from Bodyography. This is the eye pencil. This is a super smooth coconut oil infused eye pencil. It glides on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. The Bodyography eye pencil is rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a perfectly smoky effect. It is $14. And it appears to it's Bali Bronze. So it looks like such. I'm going to go ahead and with my inner eye, and we're going to hope that this doesn't have carmine. And I'll know by the end of this video. We're just going to go around my inner corner though. Or inner rim. Waterline, inner lash line. There you go. A little bit of color, not a lot. We're on the drier side, but it might work okay. Alright, I think it's worth $14. Next up is from Luxie. This is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. The Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Oh, they're pretty. I didn't realize they were ombre, but they're like ombre from pink to like yellow, so sunset kind of feel. So the 512 is this one, I guess. Yep. Small contouring, and it is very small. It's not even the size of my blush brush, so it's like almost targeted contouring. contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245, this one, small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base shadow and glitter. It's actually good. I would actually, yeah, you could use it for like a cream shadow or glitter, but also cut the crease with this. Yes, okay, love. And grab the Luxie 208 large shader brush. This one's like, the handles are really thick. You know, I'm used to the regular pink or even the gold ones. They're not as thick. These are like really thick handles. To pat on and blend out any eye look. Yeah, you can, that's a big brush. And it's like fluffy enough you could probably like really blend too. Okay. I'm actually cool with all these brushes. That's like a really chiseled contour, but okay. And I do love the design. Look how cute that is. Luxie brushes are awesome. They're vegan. They're so soft. They work so well. Next up is from Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow powder. This all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. This is $27 and I got the shade Purple Dream. I love the packaging. It's like so cool. The rock marble. Okay, how is that purple? It says Purple Dream. I think it might have a reflect, but it looks gold. I was about to say, the thing is, I don't mind those products. It's just I still have this Illuminati diamond one from a year ago or something. Like, I just haven't used it, and I'm like, why haven't I used to? Yeah, it has a sifter and it's slightly messy. Oh, it has lots of glitter. That could be why I haven't used it. I might pass that on to my niece because I love highlight, but glitter is like, as its time and place, but not for like, I don't want glitter on my cheekbones every day for work. So we're going to see how this one works, because this one doesn't say Diamond Glow. Oh, no, it does say Diamond Glow powder. I'm going to see how this one is. Same little sifter, like half sifter, and you have to, I think you have to take off the thing. I'm going to sprinkle it out. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Well. So you really want it as a body more than like a highlight because it has glitter. I mean, there's straight up glitter. There is glow in there, and it's a purple, but it's glitter. And this with a lotion, some fun summer. I was out of interest if I took that much time to put illuminating stuff in my. So I never mess with it. You can never close back the sifter. You know, that'd be a thing. But that is pretty, like, you see the, really see the purple shift in that. And the last thing in here is from Pure Cosmetics. This is Unleash the Ultimate. This is Pure the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion, from boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters. Each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. Okay, I was gonna pass this on because I thought it was just regular, just like pretty neutral, and then like 2 pops of color, maybe 3. I didn't know it was glitter. I didn't know it was pressed pigment. Probably recommend a glitter glue with like the glitters. I imagine so. Wow. Pure rarely does carmine. They are mostly vegan. They rarely do carmine in palettes, like at all. Like there's maybe one thing on their site really that has carmine that I've seen, and this would be the second one. Because you know I have the Pure Troll palette, which I love. The other Boxycharm one didn't. The one that was bad, pretty much bad except for the peach shades. And, the other one, so I guess I will be passing this along. I ain't gonna be bothering opening it. It's probably, I don't know. Maybe I should open it. I'm gonna open it, but I'm gonna put it back because carmine's in all the shades. But no, in all the shades, glitter and matte. Like, let me tell you, like this is all the ingredients for the mattes. All right, there it says carmine. where my middle finger is. And then Carmine as a color additive for all the glitter shades is right there. So that's disappointing. Just, like there's one product on their site that has Carmine in it. No, there's two apparently. Bent that just a pinch. Love the packaging though. That's so cute. And these are these glitters look so much fun. I mean, I wouldn't have had much fun with the, oh, this is like glued on, so I'm just gonna leave it. Or it has a sticker. It has a big old mirror that folds all the way back. And these are the big old chunky glitters. Those are all shimmer. There's glitter in that, but these are the chunky glitters. But yeah, Carmine and all of it. So I'm out to even try that. That's okay. Like, I don't have those colors. I mean, not the chunk glitters, but I have all those colors. Well, I have glitters that color. Never mind, I don't care. Alright. So, I really don't know what I'll be doing with that palette. I might pass it on to my niece. I don't know. I'll let you know if, like, I'm going to do a giveaway on this or later. I don't know. So, that was my box. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with that highlighter, really. If it was just like that, blending with the glitter everywhere, I'd be down for it. But I like the brushes a whole lot. This lip gloss is totally fun and going in my purse. So the diamond in it, the palette I can't use. These brushes are cool. Lip gloss and my missing new product. Oh, the eye pencil. It's not that great. So overall, am I happy? No. I'm okay with it, but not excited at all about it now. But, you know, it was okay month. I went into it thinking it was just okay month, you know. So, at least I like the lip gloss. At least it wasn't the Steve Laurent one, which was going to be that really, really pale nude. So, I'm cool with getting the holographic glitter. And the brushes are really pretty and nice. So, anyway, that was my box. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, toodles.